frog? Did you get the Mario? Did you get the troll? Well, it's getting easier to guess what's in it, because if you watched the video on Wednesday, you'd know what was in the balloons, and you've just got to guess. And now there's only 2 left. I ain't got sharp teeth. Gonna have to burst it with my fingers. Are you ready? It's gone. What is inside this then? You don't know, do you? I've got a squeaky nose, squeaky head. You ready? Can I just rip this one in half? Still got its bubble. What's in it? Oh, look at that. What is it? Oh! Oh! Stop it! There he is, look. Just how tall he is, look. I think you wear him on your wrist like this. Very nice. So did you guess it was the troll with the black hair? Do you know what? I had to buy 2 more boxes of these so that I could get this one to match.